Good morning. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. Today I am going to start a new chapter, exercise 8.2. But before starting this chapter, first discuss about formula that used in this lesson. One request to you, please subscribe this channel and also like and share this video in your friend circles. Okay, now start. This is a table of trigonometry ratio table. This is a table of trigonometry ratio. Angle in degree 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Angle in radian 0 degree, 0 radian, pi by 6 radian, pi by 4 radian, pi by 3 and pi by 2. Okay. Now according to this table, the value of sine 0 degree is equal to 0. Okay. The value of sine 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2. The value of sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2. The value of sine 60 degree is equal to 3 by 2, and the value of sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Okay. Same. This is the table of the value of angle, different angle with the different trigonometry ratio. Okay. In this table I can also write this and also remember this, just like sine 0 is equal to 0, sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, sine 60 degree is equal to 3 by 2 and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Similarly, cos 0 degree 1, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 degree 1 by root 2, cos 60 degree 1 by 2 and cos 90 degree is equal to 0. Tan 0 is equal to 0, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3, tan 45 is equal to 1, tan 60 is equal to root 3, tan 90 is equal to not defined. The value of tan 90 degree is not defined. Okay. Cosec 0 degree is equal to not defined also. Cosec 32, cosec 45 degree is root 2, cosec 60 degree is equal to 2 by root 3 and cosec 90 degree is equal to 1. Sec 0 degree is equal to 1, sec 30 degree is equal to root 2 by root 3, sec 45 degree is equal to root 2, sec 60 degree is equal to 2, sec 90 degree is equal to not defined. The value of sec 90 degree is not defined. Okay. Cot 0 also not defined. Cot 30 root 3, cot 45 1, cot 60 1 by root 3 and cot 90 is equal to 1. Now I know here you also see sine 0 degree is equal to 0 and sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Cos the opposite of sine. In other way, that because sine 0 degree is equal to 0 but cos 0 is equal to 1, it means that this is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1, and this is opposite. 1 here, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 is the same, 1 by 2 and 0. Also if you are remember sine, the value of sine and cos, then you also find value of tan, because sine theta is equal to tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta, so tan 0 is equal to sine 0 by cos 0, 0 by 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Sine, the opposite of sine is cosec, so 0 opposite of 0, 1 by 0 not defined. Okay. 1 by 2 is equal to 2. Opposite of cos is sec, so 1 root 3 by 2, opposite is 2 by root 3. Cot is opposite of tan. Okay. Now it is very necessary to remember this value. Okay. Now I am starting exercise 8.1, the first question. Okay. The first question of 8.2. Okay. Question: evaluate the following. First, sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. Solve this question. Okay. Solution 1. sin 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sin 30 degree cos 60 degree is equal to value of sin 60 degree. Okay, value of sin 60 degree root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 into cos 30. The value of cos 30 is called root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 1 by 2 and cos 60 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to root 3 into root 3 is equal to root 3, root 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1, 2 into 2 4. LCM is equal to 4, then root 3 plus root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Answer. Question number 2. Two tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree is equal to 2 into tan 45. The value of tan 45 is equal to 1, then square plus cos 30, the value of cos 30 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sin 60, the value of sin 60 root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to 2 into square of 1 is equal to 1, root 3 square 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. This is the same, cancel, 2 into 1 is equal to 2. Answer. Question number 3. Cos 45 degree by sec 30 degree plus cosec 30 degree is equal to cos 45 the value of cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sec 30 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30 2 is equal to (1 by root 2). LCM is equal to root 3, then 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, is equal to 1 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 3 into root 2 is equal to root 3 by 2 into this is 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6. Okay, now root 3 by 2 is common, then root 2 plus root 6 Okay, now I am multiplying root 2 minus root 6 in numerator and also in denominator, is equal to 3 into root 3 into root 2 root 6 minus root 3 into root 6 root 18 by 2. This is the a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, is equal to root 6 minus root 18 by 2, root 2 square 2 minus root 6 square 6, is equal to root 6 minus root 18 by 2 into 2 minus 6 minus 4. Okay, is equal to, I am multiplying root 6 minus root 18 by minus 8, multiplying minus 1 in numerator and also in denominator. Then minus 1 multiplying, then I getting minus root 6 plus root 18 by 8. Okay, is equal to root under 18, arranging root under 18 minus root under 6 by 8. Root under 18, then you write 3 into 3 into 2 minus root under 6 by 8 is equal to, there are 2 times in 3, so 3 is out, then only 1 2. Okay, in root under minus root 6 by 8. This is your answer. Okay, question number 4. Sine 30 degree plus tan 45 degree minus cosec 60 degree by sec 30 degree plus cos 60 degree plus cot 45 degree is equal to. Now the value of sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 plus tan 45 1 minus sine 60 2 by root under 3, sec 30 2 by root under 3, cos 60 1 by 2 plus tan 45 is equal to 1. LCM is root 3 in upper, then LCM is 2 root 3, then root 3 plus 2 root 3 minus 4. Also the LCM is 2 root 3, 4 plus root 3 plus 2 root 3. 2 root 3 2 root 3 cancel, is equal to 2 root 3 plus 3 3 root 3 minus 4 by 4 plus 3 root 3. Okay, now I am multiplying 4 minus 3 root 3 in numerator and also 4 minus 3 root 3 in denominator, is equal to, then I multiplying 4 by 3, 4 3 are 12 root 3, 4 4 16 minus 3 root 3 in 3 root 3 multiply 3 root 3 3 9 9 3 are 27 minus minus plus 12 root 3 by a plus b into a minus b, 4 square minus 3 root 3 square, is equal to 12 and 20 24 root 3 minus 6 6 12 and 13 2 1 3 1 4 by 4 4 16 minus 3 3 9 9 3 27 is equal to 12 root 3 minus 43 by minus 11. I am multiplying in numerator 1 and also 1 in numerator and minus 1 in numerator and minus 1 denominator. Then I getting minus 24 root 3 plus 43 by 11 is equal to, now arrange them, 43 minus 24 root 3 by 11. Answer. Question number 5. Cos square 60 degree plus 4 sec square 30 degree minus tan square 45 degree by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree is equal to 5 into cos 60. The value of cos 60 is equal to 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 the whole square plus 4 into the value of sec 30 is equal to 2 by root 3, then whole square, minus the value of tan 45 is equal to 1, then 1 the whole square, by sin 30, the value of sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2 the whole square plus the value of cos 30 root 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to 5 into 1 by 4, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 4 into 2 to 4, 3 into root 3 into root 3 is root 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 plus 4 4 16 by 3 minus 1 by the LCM is equal to 4, then 1 plus 3. LCM of 3 and 4 and 3 is equal to 12. This is 4 by 4, then cancel, and 12 4 3 12, 3 5 3 15 plus 3 4 16 4 64 minus 12, 1, this is 1, so this is the cancel. Okay, then when I 549 615 minus 12 by 12 is equal to 64. Okay, sorry, 617 79, then 9 minus 2 7 and 6 67 by 12. Answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2. Choose the correct option and justify your choice. The question number 1, 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to what? A sin 60 degree, B cos 60 degree, C tan 60 degree, and D sin 30 degree. Now I am solving this. Okay, 2 1. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to 2. The value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 the whole square is equal to 2 by multiply 2 2 1 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 by root 3 by the LCM is 3, then 3 plus 1 is equal to 2 by root 3 by 4 by 3 is equal to the multiply 1 first term by fourth term, 2 into 4, second into third, 3 into 4, 2 into 3 and 2 to 2, 3 by 2 root 3. Okay, then I am also write this 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3 by 2 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3 cancel, then root 3 by 2. Okay, now the value of root 3 by 2 is sine 60 degree and cos 30 degree. Okay, is equal to sine 60 degree or cos 30 degree. Okay, now I see in option A 60, option B cos 60, sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. This is sin 60 or sin 30. So here no sin cos 30, here this is no any sin cos 30, so the option A is true. Okay, then answer is option A. Now second number, 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45 is equal to 1 minus the value of tan 45 is equal to 1 the whole square, 1 minus plus 1 the whole square is equal to 1 minus 1 by 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, here also in option D is 0. Okay, so the answer is option D, 0. Option D. And also the value of 0 is also, now see, 0 is sin 0, cos 90, tan 0 and also cot 0. Okay, but this is no any option in this, so only D is answer. Question number 3, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Okay, now I put 0, 30, 45 and 60 in this question. Okay, on the value of a. Now sin 2 into 0 is equal to sin 0. Okay, 2 into sin 0 is equal to 2 into sin 0. The value of sin 0 is equal to 0. 2 into 0 is equal to 0. So the value of a, I am putting 0 in on position of a. So the also LHS and RHS is same, so I can say the answer is A because 0 degree. Next question, question number 4, 2 tan 30 minus 1 minus tan square 30. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 minus tan square 30 degree is equal to 2 into the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 by root 3 the whole square, then 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by root 1 by 3 1 by 3 equal root 3 into root 3 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 by the LCM 3 plus 1 is equal to 2 by root 3 by 4 by 3 is equal to 2 into 3 by root 3 into 4, 2 to 4 is equal to sorry, here is minus, then 2, then 2 to cancel, 3 by root 3. Now I write 3 is equal to root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3 cancel is equal to root 3. Now the value of root 3, see this table, root 3 tan 60 degree is root 3 and also cot 30 degree is equal to tan 60 degree or cot 30 degree. Now see here tan 60 degree is also given, so answer is C. Okay, the next question, question number 3. If tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, the value of a plus b is greater than 0 but less or equal than 90 degree and a is greater than b. Find a and b. Solution. Given tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Because tan a plus b is equal to root 3, therefore tan a plus b is equal to in tan the value of root 3 is tan 60 degree is equal to the value of root 3. Tan 60 is equal to root 3, so I am putting in tan root 3 is equal to tan 60 degree. They are tan and tan is also cancelled, therefore a plus implies a plus b is equal to 60 degree from equation 1. Again, because tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, therefore tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degree. Implies a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Equation 2. Now I am adding equation 1 and equation 2. A plus b is equal to 60 degree, a minus b is equal to 30 degree, then my b we cancel, 2a is equal to 60 and 30 90 degree, but they divided, then I get in 45, a is equal to 45 degree. Putting the value of a in equation 1, 45 plus b is equal to 60 degree, b is equal to 60 degree minus 45 degree, b is equal to 15 degree. Therefore A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 15 degree. Answer. Now I am giving you questions for practice. Okay. Question for practice. First question. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB is equal to 5 cm and angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Determine the length of the side BC and AC. Question number 2. In triangle PQR, right angle at Q, PQ is equal to 3 cm and PR is equal to 6 cm. Determine angle QPR and angle PRQ. The question number 3. If sin A minus B is equal to 1 by 2, cos A plus B is equal to 1 by 2, where A plus B is greater than 0 but less and equal than 90 degree, and A is also greater than B, find A and B. That's all. Thank you. Good night.